Hi guys, welcome. This is a video for the ISO builders. We've asked Adrian, the foremost project leader, most important project leader of Calamares, and that's that we get communications that we can have logs, and this is your log, right? The package manager could not prepare updates, and then that's it. That's often not much to read here, but if it is available, you do yes, and on the forum or on Discord you put that particular link and say, look, I tried to install something and this didn't work, and term bin etc. Let's have a look and let's analyze, because it is always in these 5 years of ArcoLinux, it's all about solving issues. Common sense, reading stuff on Ubuntu forums and fixing them on Arch, and that's it. I mean, it is analysis of problems always. 3, an O I think, and a Q and a 9. No, there's a P, a Q, P, 9, we'll see. That's it, right? And then you start reading. We don't need this anymore. And then you start reading. Come on. Now, in the beginning, you don't want to be in the beginning. It's in the end that something occurred. And here we have errors. And there are key errors. You wanted to import the ArcoLinux repositories, and that's fine, but you need to import also the key. So the key is here not present, is unknown, and that's the reason why it stops. So easy peasy, I'll explain them, and that's how you do things, right? Analyzing via well, these things, plus there is of course something. Well, if nothing pops up, there is no pop-up or anything, then I go to open folder as root. I go to home, root, Control H, cache, Calamares, session log. The same thing, of course, somewhere the log must be kept, right? The same thing is here. This, of course, for the user, well, for the end user who's looking at the problem, super interesting to just give an URL, just type it, write it down, and then type it later on Discord or on the forum. And that's how you should proceed, right? That's how we can make Calamares better. And that's how you should proceed if you're an ISO builder, if you're following the ArcoLinux University and you say, I'm stuck with this. That's where the knowledge is. This is where you figure it out. Aha, we got a problem with the keys. All right, cheers.